Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ulfi Faizah. I will present my article, The Potential of Citizen Science as a Follow-up of Student Project Assignment for Biodiversity Studies to be Meaningful. The author of this article are Ulfi Faizah, Nuryani Rustaman, and Bambang Supriatno. The background of this article: Education for Sustainable Development, attempt to realize the quality of education and learning for sustainable development at all the community level, including in learning biodiversity studies. Study of biodiversity material in college should be studied in theory and application with students' project assignments. But nowadays, the implementation of project assignment is generally still local action. It is badly needed follow-up so the implementation can be more meaningful and can be global action. Citizen science is one of the activities that has potential to be applied as a follow-up to project assignment activities. This descriptive study aims to investigate the implementation of student project assignments related to biodiversity studies and to propose the potential of citizen science as a follow-up to project assignments in studying biodiversity to enhance its meaningfulness. Method. This research was descriptive, and the respondents, we use 74 students of the biology department in one university in the East Java, Indonesia. It consists of biology education program students and biology, and then some were active and had become alumni. 15 scientific articles were used as research of potential information about citizen science. A questionnaire was used as an instrument and data collected with a rapid survey through Google Form. And the potential of citizen science data was obtained and combined with a literature review using descriptive qualitative data analysis. Result and discussion. The result of the survey on the implementation of the project task showed the student most did lecture that integrated project work activities related to the study of biodiversity on animal systematic course. This is the study biodiversity include a study of the biodiversity of living things on the genus level, species, ecosystem in some place, the distribution of variety of living things, the benefit and disadvantages of the diversity threats occurring, and effort to overcome threats. Some lecture subject with the topic which learn about diversity, such as at table 1. This is the example: animal systematic, parasitology, entomology, protozoology, zoogeography, plant systematic, ornithology, malacology, phytogeography, pharmacognition, waste management, and mycology. The main objective of learning biodiversity are awareness, listening, and student participation behavior. Students, as the generation who will play a role in the future, expected have metacognitive knowledge to generalize and take decisions in the studying biodiversity. Next, result and discussion. Respondents state that the most common form of project work was writing scientific articles based on the research field work. This is 73. The natural science teaching skill, especially biology, developed manually, especially practical work or lab, was indispensable. The processes of science adopted as part of the method of science learning, so the learners acquire knowledge as practiced by scientists. When a lecturer carrying out student project assignment, students can be trained to write scientific article or make a research proposal. Another information said that participants involved in citizen science activities could carry out data, sharing, and communicate the result of the research in scientific work. Respondents express benefits which they obtain from the project activities as an assignment which they train in making scientific work. From the survey, research from both active students and alumni, it was known that they have benefited greatly from the project assignment activities related to biodiversity, both regarding understanding lecturer material, training them in conducting research, and writing scientific paper. Related to student difficulty, they had trouble in reference. To overcome this problem, students should be equipped with skills to search, choose, and use the correct references in writing scientific articles. The next result and discussion. The result of the 15 literature review were done in the research was to clarify the citizen science potential as a follow-up project student about the biodiversity more meaningful reason. Citizen science has a lot of potential that can be used to carry out various activities or research related to biodiversity in the environment and has many benefits for the community. This potential can also be used in the implementation of citizen science for student project assignments. Citizen science can be interpreted as a collaborative between scientists or experts and non-scientists or amateur to collect authentic data, share, and analyze. Citizen science program is also an effective educational process for non-conservation communities. They can get information about what they find, so they get a sense of satisfaction about it. And the last conclusion. The first conclusion, the study indicates that student project assignment in biodiversity studies were carried out with practice assignments on conducting research and reports performed in scientific paper or research article. And the second conclusion, citizen science has the potential as a follow-up to project assignments in studying biodiversity to be a global perspective and more meaningful. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.